I'm looking at the Jodie kit. So the Jodie has the new Arduino. So we've got our motors still in the regular motor ports. We've got our remote sensor. In here, white is almost always towards the middle. All right, so one is at the top and then white's down. On the remote sensor, I've got white towards the S. You can see that there. All right, my channels are all set. When I go to do the servo, the white is, what they like to say is the white is towards the white. So we have little white motor axles or motor turny things. Sorry, that's not really scientific or engineering like, but the white cord needs to be towards that. All right, and then in your output, so you've got input and output. Let me see if I can get, you kind of see it there. Input's over on this side and output's over here. The first slot is controlled by the up and down. If I move that to the second slot, sorry, it might get a little shaky here. So if I move that to the second slot, it's controlled by the right and left. So the inputs up here, so the inputs are over on this side. Those are gonna be for our IR sensors or sound sensors and that sort of thing. And then the outputs are always the servos. So I hope that helps.